How to add new card on Lyft. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how we can add a new debit or credit card on Lyft. While you might feel it's complicated, actually it's quite simple and easy. Simply open up your Lyft application where you should get an interface up somewhat like this once this loads up. Now here you can see at the top left corner of your screen, you can see the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon there. You want to simply tap on it because you'll find the similar interface on your app as well. Now once here you can see my profile here, and under it you can see various different options. Now under ride history there on the screen you can see the payment option. Simply tap on payment option. Now once here you can see payment methods option. Now under payment methods, what you want to do is you want to tap on add payment method option. Now the screen will turn blank, so make sure you follow me. Simply tap on add payment method here, and you want to select the credit or debit card option. Once you tap on credit or debit card option, you want to simply enter in your card details, and once you enter in your card details there, you'll have to tap on save and your payment methods will be saved. So this way you can easily add new card on Lyft, whether it be debit or credit card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.